Welcome to our comprehensive guide on Astro image optimization. In this video, we'll dive deep into everything you need to know about handling images efficiently in your Astro projects. We'll explore Astro's built-in image tools, learn how to implement responsive images, and discover ways to enhance your website's loading speed while maintaining image quality. Let's get started. Let's start with the basics. To enable Astro's image optimization, you need to do two things. First, images should be saved in the SRC folder. Second, you need to use the image component. Let's review how to use this component. It has several required properties. SRC is the first one, followed by width and height. These dimensions prevent layout shifts, important for your page speed insight score. Astro also uses width and height when optimizing image quality to avoid producing images that are either too low in quality or too high in resolution and file size. The last required property is Alt, which helps to improve SEO. There are also several optional but helpful parameters. One of them is loading, which has two states, eager and lazy. As their name suggests, one prioritizes immediate loading while the other enables lazy loading. Another parameter is quality, which lets you set the image quality as a percentage. This image component configuration alone will significantly improve performance. During build time, Astro has a generating optimized images step that processes all images located in the SRC folder used in your code. It generates optimized versions in the Astro folder. By default, Astro converts images to WebP format and uses the specified width and height to set resolution and quality. Comparing the size of images before and after the build process reveals a significant reduction. But what about cases when you need optimized images for both desktop and mobile? You'll need two different resolutions. In this case, we use the widths property, where you set a list of numbers. Astro will generate an optimized version for each width. You'll also need to use the sizes property, where you set maximum or minimum width for each width value you have. Another useful component is the picture tag. It includes all properties of image, plus a formats property when you can add an array of different formats, for example, WebP, a VIF. In the build file, you'll see a picture tag with multiple sources, one for each format you added. The browser will use the best option. That's everything you need to know about working with local images. But what if images in your project are added as links to SRC? In this case, Astro can't generate optimized versions until these images are saved to your project folder. The easiest solution is to manually download and save images in SRC. But this becomes impractical when image sources come from an API. For these cases, Astro integrates with Content Management System, CMS, and Digital Asset Management, DAM solutions, which let you manage image and video assets from a central location. If you're at the beginning of your project, you can choose one of these options. This allows you to use links as sources, and during build time, Astro will fetch and optimize images for you. If you're interested in a video about this topic, please drop a comment. What should you do if a CMS or DAM isn't the right solution for your case? Another option is to create your own functionality to fetch and optimize images during build time. We'll use the same library for image optimization that Astro uses. It's called Sharp. This will give us more freedom while achieving the same results as Astro's built-in optimization. I'll show and explain how you can do that in the next part of the series, where we'll dive deep into building custom image optimization solutions using Sharp. And that's it for today's guide on Astro image optimization. We've covered everything from basic usage to advanced techniques. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more web development content. Leave your questions in the comments below and see you in the next video.